presenter. Hello and welcome to the Best Sellers Market channel. We're thrilled to have you here with us today. I'm your guide on this exciting journey through the world of top-rated products. Today, we have something truly special lined up for you. We'll be doing a countdown of the best-selling oils on Amazon. Whether you're into essential oils for relaxation, cooking oils for culinary adventures, or any other kind of oil, we've got you covered. These products have been tried, tested, and loved by thousands of customers around the world. We'll dive into what makes them so popular, their unique benefits, and why they should be on your shopping list. So, without further ado, let's get started with our countdown of the best-selling oils on Amazon. Sit back, relax, and let's discover some amazing products together. All right, let's jump right in with number 10 on our list. Ladies and gentlemen, let's dive into number 5 on our countdown of the best-selling oils on Amazon. Introducing the Pennzoil Platinum Full Synthetic 0W20 Motor Oil, a true marvel of modern engineering. This isn't just any oil, it's a full synthetic blend crafted meticulously from natural gas. Imagine that, natural gas transformed into a liquid powerhouse designed to elevate your engine's performance to its peak. Now, why is this oil so extraordinary? First, let's talk longevity. Pennzoil Platinum promises to protect your engine for an astounding 15 years or 500,000 miles, whichever comes first. Think about that, 500,000 miles of unwavering protection. That's not just a promise, it's a guarantee asterisk. Check the warranty details for more. But there's more. Fuel economy isn't just a buzzword here. With Pennzoil Platinum, you're looking at improved efficiency based on the latest industry standards. Imagine driving further, smoother, and cleaner. Speaking of clean, Pennzoil Platinum keeps your pistons up to 45% cleaner than the toughest industry standard. Yes, 45%. This isn't just about keeping your engine running, it's about keeping it pristine. When it comes to wear protection, Pennzoil Platinum stands unrivaled. No other leading synthetic oil offers better protection from friction. Picture your engine parts gliding effortlessly, protected from wear and tear by a barrier of advanced synthetic oil. The magic doesn't stop there. Pennzoil Platinum is formulated to provide faster oil flow at low temperatures and robust protection when the heat cranks up. Whether you're starting your car on a frosty morning or cruising under the blazing sun, this oil adapts and performs. And let's not overlook the convenience factor. The single 5-quart bottle is designed with an ergonomic grip, making pouring a breeze. No more fumbling or spills, just smooth, easy handling. Power loss? Forget about it. Pennzoil Platinum helps shield your engine from any drop in power. And for those of you with modern turbocharged engines, this oil is formulated to meet the ILSAC GF6A and API SPRC standards, covering all previous categories too. In summary, the Pennzoil Platinum Full Synthetic 0W20 Motor Oil isn't just a product. It's a commitment to excellence and longevity for your engine. Your car deserves the best. Give it the oil that guarantees to deliver. Prepare to be amazed as we unveil number 4 on our countdown of the best-selling oils on Amazon. Introducing the Valvoline Advanced Full Synthetic SAE 0W20 Motor Oil, a true guardian of your engine's integrity. This isn't just motor oil, it's a masterpiece of protection, crafted to combat the 4 main culprits of engine breakdown: wear, friction, heat, and deposits. Imagine this: 40% better wear protection compared to industry standards, verified by the rigorous Sequence IVB engine test. Yes, 40%. Your engine components, shielded from the grind of daily wear and tear, ensuring longevity and reliability like never before. But it doesn't stop there. Valvoline takes cleanliness to a new level with 25% superior deposit protection. Thanks to advanced engine cleaning detergents, your engine stays pristine, passing the GMOD engine test with flying colors. Picture your engine running as smoothly as the day it left the factory. Now let's talk about strength. 24 times stronger protection against engine-killing contaminants than the leading full synthetic motor oil. Contaminants don't stand a chance. Valvoline's 0W20 formula creates an impenetrable barrier, ensuring your engine remains invincible. And rest assured, this oil meets or exceeds every critical requirement. ILSAC GF6A APISP APISN with SN+, APISN, and GM-Dexos 1 Gen 3. It's the epitome of compliance and excellence, formulated to meet the highest standards. What's more, Valvoline is a brand steeped in history, proudly American-made and trusted for over 150 years. This isn't just oil, it's a legacy of innovation and reliability. The original motor oil brand continues to set the benchmark, blending tradition with cutting-edge technology. In conclusion, the Valvoline Advanced Full Synthetic SAE 0 W20 motor oil is more than just a top seller. It's a promise of unparalleled protection and performance, engineered to keep your engine running flawlessly. Experience the best. Trust Valvoline to deliver every single time. Ladies and gentlemen, it's time to elevate our countdown to number 3 on the list of Amazon's best-selling oils. Presenting the Castrol Edge 5 W30, Advanced Full Synthetic Motor Oil, a true titan in the world of engine protection and performance. This oil is not just about keeping your engine running. It's about pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Castrol Edge stands 3 times stronger against viscosity breakdown compared to leading full synthetics, as demonstrated by the Quart test. Imagine your engine, consistently shielded, withstanding the stress of extreme conditions without breaking a sweat. And when the heat is on, Castrol Edge excels with 10 times better high-temperature performance, verified by the rigorous Sequence 3 engine test. Picture this, your engine operating flawlessly, even in the most scorching environments, maintaining its composure and efficiency. But that's not all. Wear protection is paramount, and Castrol Edge delivers with 6 times better wear protection. Your engine components are enveloped in a protective layer, reducing friction and extending their lifespan, keeping your engine young and vigorous. Now let's talk cleanliness. Castrol Edge offers 1.4 times better sludge protection. Measured by the Sequence VH engine test, this oil ensures your engine remains free from harmful sludge, maintaining optimal performance and longevity. Additionally, this oil meets the stringent ILSAC GF6 standards. It's formulated to prevent low-speed pre-ignition, LSPI, and to protect the timing chain from wear. Your engine runs smoothly, efficiently, and reliably, mile after mile. In essence, the Castrol Edge 5 W30, Advanced Full Synthetic Motor Oil, is not just a top seller, it's a beacon of advanced engineering and relentless protection. Trust in Castrol Edge to take your engine performance to unparalleled heights. Are you enjoying the countdown of the best-selling oils on Amazon? Don't let your engine run dry. Make sure to oil up that like button, subscribe, and press the bell icon so you never miss a drop. Prepare to be impressed as we reveal number 2 on our list of Amazon's best-selling oils. Introducing Valvoline High Mileage with MaxLife Technology, SAE 5 W30 Synthetic Blend Motor Oil. This isn't just oil, it's a lifeline for your high-mileage engine, blending cutting-edge technology with a legacy of trust. Imagine your engine protected with 40% better wear protection than the industry standard. MaxLife Technology is designed to prevent engine breakdown, offering unparalleled defense against the ravages of time and use. Your engine will feel youthful and robust mile after mile, but Valvoline doesn't stop at protection. This oil includes seal conditioners specifically formulated to reduce oil consumption and prevent leaks in high-mileage engines. Picture your engine running smoothly without those pesky oil leaks that can spell trouble. Cleanliness is crucial, and Valvoline delivers with added detergents that fight sludge, corrosion, rust, and deposits. Your engine remains pristine inside, ensuring a smooth, efficient operation. Think of it as a deep cleanse for your engine, keeping it in peak condition. Performance is key, and advanced friction-fighting additives in this oil help maximize your engine's performance and improve fuel efficiency. Imagine more power, better mileage, and a smoother ride, all thanks to this powerful blend. And rest assured, Valvoline High Mileage meets or exceeds all critical requirements. ILSAC GF6A, APISP, APISN with SN+, and APISN. It's a mark of excellence and reliability that ensures your engine is getting the best possible care. Proudly American-made and formulated, Valvoline has been a trusted name in motor oil for more than 150 years. This isn't just a product, it's a legacy of innovation and quality. In conclusion, Valvoline High Mileage with MaxLife Technology SAE 5W30 synthetic blend motor oil is more than just oil. It's a comprehensive solution for high-mileage engines, offering unmatched protection, performance, and cleanliness. Trust Valvoline to keep your engine running like new. Ladies and gentlemen, the moment you've all been waiting for. At number 1 in our countdown of the best-selling oils on Amazon, we have the unparalleled Mobil 1 Advanced Fuel Economy Full Synthetic Motor Oil 0W20. This isn't just any motor oil. It's the pinnacle of engineering excellence, designed to transform your driving experience. Imagine an oil so refined, its low viscosity nature actually helps improve fuel economy. Yes, you heard that right, improving your fuel efficiency with every drop. Mobil 1's advanced formulation works tirelessly to make sure your engine runs smoother and longer, giving you more miles per gallon and more savings at the pump. But there's so much more. Mobil 1 harnesses the power of its signature triple action formula, delivering exceptional engine performance, unrivaled protection, and spotless cleanliness. Picture your engine running at its peak, free from the clutches of wear, deposits, and sludge. This oil doesn't just lubricate, it rejuvenates. Critical engine parts are safeguarded for up to 10,000 miles between oil changes. Think about it. 10,000 miles of relentless protection, controlling oxidation to prevent oil breakdown, and maintaining the perfect viscosity. Your engine remains in pristine condition, no matter the journey. Mobil 1 Advanced Fuel Economy meets the stringent ILSAC GF6 standards, ensuring protection against low-speed pre-ignition LSPI and timing chain wear. Your engine stays clean and efficient, performing at its best even under the most demanding conditions. And let's not forget longevity. Mobil 1 helps extend your engine's life by preventing damaging deposits and sludge buildup. It's like a shield, a guardian working tirelessly to keep your engine in top shape, ensuring it runs longer and stronger. In conclusion, Mobil 1 Advanced Fuel Economy Full Synthetic Motor Oil 0W20 isn't just the best-selling oil. It's the ultimate choice for drivers who demand the best. Exceptional fuel economy, superior protection, and unmatched performance, all in one bottle. Trust Mobil 1 to elevate your driving experience to new heights. We hope you enjoyed the countdown of the best-selling oils on Amazon. To stay up to date with all the top products, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Check the pinned comment for links to all the best-selling oils we talked about today. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.